Ooh.
Try one? Let's try one on the grill.
Tastes like rubber.
That's what Mr. Lloyd said we're going to try. That's a good op right there. Alright, these Gaspergou, they got a bad rap. We're going to put that to bed. I'm going to tell y'all one way or another whether they're any good. I'm going to cook them my best saltwater fish recipe. This is Freshwater Drum. I do eat saltwater drum. They're pretty good. So I'm going to cook this one the same way. I'm going to fillet him real quick. Show y'all how we're going to fix him. Mr. Lloyd said they taste like rubber. I don't know. It's been a while since I ate one. I ate some when I was a kid. I don't remember them being that bad. We're gonna trim it all out. So I'm gonna cut this right down that lateral line, and I'm gonna get every bit of that red meat off of it. The reason I'm doing that, because it ain't no good. We'll let Chad try this first.
Ate it raw.
Sushi. Goo sushi?
Goo sushi.
Alright, there it is. There's all of our goo meat. Alright, we're going to throw some fish on the Blackstone tonight. I got some crappie fillets. We got marinated up in some Chick-fil-A sauce. I've done that before on a video, so I'm not going to go over that recipe too much. We just got Chick-fil-A sauce. Gonna put some Tony's and garlic on them on the Blackstone. Got some olive oil here. I'm gonna put it on here real quick. While we're doing this, we're gonna go on and try our Gaspergou. We filleted these things out, and I said we would try them. I'll give an honest opinion on them. I've eaten it before baked. I ain't never eat it cooked like this on the Blackstone. Marinated the Gaspergou a little bit different. This is a color of it. What this is Italian dressing. Put just enough Dales in there to color it a little brown. We'll marinate this overnight. So we're going to throw it on the grill. I haven't put any salt, pepper, nothing like that on it. And I'll just use Tony's and garlic on there once we throw it on there. That's the same way we cook our red fish and a lot of our saltwater fish. Crappie fillet is going on there. Put them on there first. This is a Gaspergou. Alright, there it is. We got the crappie fillets. This is some cabbage and bacon that Danielle fixed. We kind of on a low carb thing. I'm trying to get ready for Colorado. And then we got the Gaspergou right there that I filleted out. So I'm going to try the Gaspergou. I already know the rest of it's good. I'm gonna try this and see what it's about. I'm gonna tell you right now, I can't cut it with a fork. But I'm gonna try it. I said I'd try it. I'm gonna try it. What are you laughing at? I'm gonna be honest with you. For all those people that said Gaspergou is good eating, it ain't for me. That mess is tougher than beef jerky, like dry beef jerky, and it ain't got a good flavor. And I cook fish just like that all the time with the Italian and Dales on it. This fish ain't got a good taste. So that's enough of that. That's what it's all about right there. I'll stick with my perch. At Gaspergou, Mr. Lloyd was right. It's just like eating rubber. Tastes like rubber. That's gonna be it for this one. God's Country Hunting and Fishing, keeping it real.